Hello Patrick people, welcome back. I'm Stephanie, one of the BMW geniuses here at Patrick BMW, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to pair your Android phone to your new iDrive 7.0 system as featured in this lovely 2019 BMW 330i. Now I will do another video on the iPhone pairing, but for now we're going to focus on the Android phones. So if you'll follow along with me, let's take a look at how it's done. So first you're going to want to go to your main home menu. Easy way to do that is if you go to your center console, you can press that little home icon right there. And now keep in mind, you can maneuver around these menus in a couple different ways. You can use it as a full touch screen, and you can also use this iDrive button right in the center console, this big circle button right down there. So we're going to pull up our communications menu. So we're going to use our iDrive button, and we already have it set on COM for communications. We're going to select that. And now you want to go down all the way to the second from the bottom and select mobile devices. And now using your iDrive button, an easy way to access these sub-menus is to actually tilt this iDrive button below. So we're going to tilt it to the right to pull up this sub-menu that says New Device. So we're going to hit Add New Device. You want to make sure that you select Phone Calls and Audio. You're going to go ahead and select that. So now on our Android phone, an easy way to access your settings menu is we're going to just pull down from the very top of the phone and hit this little gear for our settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth, and you want to make sure that your device is visible to your nearby devices. Now once you do that, the vehicle should pick up your phone. Right now, my phone is labeled Steph E46 for all our BMW fans out there. So it should display in your center display. And now we're going to look for the BMW code, which is BMW 78880 in this particular vehicle. Now it will vary on the vehicle model, so we're just going to click that. The vehicle will now give you a separate code confirming that you do want to pair, so we're just going to hit yes on our iDrive system. And now we're going to hit OK on our phone. Now just give it a few minutes to pair. Now the phone will ask you if you want to allow your contacts to sync with your vehicle, as well as allow access for messaging. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to hit yes for contacts, and also yes for messaging. Now this will allow you to send a text message easier, as well as make phone calls easier. And an easy way to do that on your steering wheel, if you press this little microphone button on the right side of your steering wheel, you can just say, you know, call home, and it'll call the home contact stored in your phone, which makes phone calls a lot easier, hands-free, and of course keep your eyes on the road. So now we are connected and ready to go. As you can see in our mobile devices menu, you can see my phone name along with a little telephone icon, as well as a music note, and that lets us know that our device is ready to be used for phone calls, or if you want to listen to your Bluetooth music. Then of course in our phone you can see that the BMW is paired. My apologies for the focus quality, but that does mean that your BMW is paired to your phone and you are ready to go. Alright Patrick people, thank you so much for joining me, and stay tuned for our next series of videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, Patrick people.